So here we are at Town and District Transport Trust. As we walk in, I'm going to show you the selection of our vehicles and talk you through them in our collection. To start with, this is one of our Pennine buses, D15 R717YWC. Right, this is 702. You may not remember it as being in Stagecoach, but the owners of it now decided to paint it in Stagecoach as if that's what it were new to. But you may have seen it in Burnley and Pendle colours, as the fellow who owns D4 owned this at one point, and before selling it on to other preservationists, and then they come up with the idea of painting it with Stagecoach. Right, so here we are with our recently acquired vehicle from Ribble Preservation Trust. It's been donated to Town and District for the volunteers of the group to restore, and then as it's restored we'll have the fun and joys of it going to the rallies in the local area. Well, yeah, this is ACK 796. It is a Ribble Guy Arab, and it's a utility body. So it's pre-war, 1944, and as you can, with the age, 1944, it's very rare. And at the minute, this is the only one of its kind that we've heard of. Right, so this is P337 Roo. It did work for Harris Bus when it was bought, and then it went to TM Travel. After TM Travel, it worked, well, as it worked in service for TM Travel, after that it was bought for preservation purposes and went back down to London and was repainted back into its livery now, Harris Bus, which obviously it was new into, until later being sold on to us here at Town and District as a trust vehicle. And yeah, you'll see this at quite a few rallies, as she is quite popular, being a Northern Counties DAF. So this is another one of our recent acquisitions, M5. It was a prototype to London, as a Metrobus obviously, THX 105S. It does need a little bit of work doing to it, as you can tell with the screen and stuff. It's just been sat in the yard until we came and rescued it. So yeah, hope to see this out soon enough when it's fully restored and under the Town and District name for being restored. Right, so here we are with ACB 902, a Blackburn Corporation Guy Arab. Yeah, this was used as a tour wagon at some point before being bought for preservation by its owner, and now it's being repainted into the Blackburn Corporation colours, and as some may say, it is the wrong colours. That's pretty much your opinion, but it is based off one of its sisters, and it is the right colour. This is 8741. This is owned by a fellow who owns ACB 902 as well. So this bus is in part of being restored. As you can see, the windows are out, cab windows out, the front end on it, and it's in the middle of being sanded down, ready to be painted back into rotten stall colours, which is what it worked in before being bought into preservation. Right, so here we are with Jordan's, obviously, his B10 MVLE V176 ESL. Another recent vehicle into the TDTT shed, and Jordan's restoring it inside instead of outside this time. So hopefully things are looking up for the near future, and this bus being glamorous and out on the rally scene soon. Right, so here we are with 7848. It is a a GM Buses bus, and in the middle of being restored, as you can see, it's had all its panels ripped off, and at the minute it's getting all of its posts checked and redone, and so it's a bit more structurally safe. And then this should be painted soon enough, and then this will be out on the rally scene as well as many other vehicles in the shed.
I just find the actual outside of it quite stupid.
Right, so here we are with Halifax Joint Committee number 10. It is a Leyland Leopard from Paxton's. Yep, this will be joined by its sister number 10, which is a Metrobus. And when they're both ready and rally ready, as the other number 10, the Metrobus, is just in the mists of being painted, it will be joining this on the rallies, as it is matched off the same colour scheme as this, as not many HJC vehicles are. Right, so here we are with our Nat Express Leyland Paxton Supreme NK318X. As you may know, it didn't actually work for National Express. It worked for Carsville, and when Carsville finished with it, it went to another company which I'm not too sure about until being bought for preservation. And when it was bought for preservation, it was a bit of a mess, and the owner had dreams of bringing it into a National Express coach, and as you can see, his dreams have been accomplished after 5 years of work and pain. And yeah, this should be on the rally scene soon, as it's in for its MOT soon enough. So here we are with Greater Manchester Superbus M520 PNA as the fleet number 520. It was used as a superbus, as it was a motorway bus taking people on excursions mostly. This has just passed its MOT with flying colours, so it should be out on the rally scene soon enough once it's all nice and ready and cleaned up. Right, so here we have X Connections buses, number 55. It was JSU 721 on private plates at Connections, but since it's been bought for preservation, it's been listed with the number plate, its original number plate, that is, CA52JKF. As it worked for Connections buses, the owner of it now did work for Connections at the time, and he always had a soft spot for it. So he's bought it for preservation, and him and his missus have plans to turn it into a soft play bus. Yep. So it's right, so as I said, it's going to be a soft play bus, and it's going to be painted up into rainbow colours. And yep, so it will be events for the children to be playing on. But this year, I think the owners want it to be out on the bus rallies instead of the child-friendly rallies. So yeah, this is number 55 from Connections Buses. Right, so here we are with H132 GVM and 15032. As it is a Stagecoach bus, Magic bus, clearly. It's for Northern Counties. And yep, people do love this bus. And it is like Marmite sometimes though. You either love it or you hate it, because, yeah, it's a bit shabby on the sides. So this bus is seen quite a lot around the country, as the owner loves getting it out and playing with it. Right, so here we are with number 37, a Burnley Coleman Nelson Leyland PS2 BHG 756. This has been out on the rally scene, well, to a couple of rallies, and it does quite a few events, galas and things. Yeah, this bus was a bit tatty when it came, and the owner has just spruced her up, and now she looks great, and she does weddings and stuff, and she's called Shirley. So visit Shirley at the Shirley Bus website, on either Facebook, Instagram, or on the internet. This is 179, WRJ 179. It is a Salford City Transport Leyland PP June, and it's, this will be going out on the rally scene, as well as 15032. As I said earlier on, the owner loves taking them to rallies, as he has his stalls with them as well. So this is our recent acquisition, JFV295N. It is a Leyland Leopard hide burn bus. At the minute it's sat here, but we're waiting for a lottery grant to put it back to its former self, and then the owners or the council are planning on taking it round to schools and letting children know the history of their town. So yeah, this is the bus. So at this moment in time, town and district are moving on and moving up. We're getting a new shed / garage up the ramp from us, where more vehicles can be stored. So if you do have any of these, give us a call if you want some space, and then we'll sort you out with one, and then you can join the team of TDTT. And on the other hand, our rally is coming up on the 15th of September. This rally is Ian Bonner Memorial Day. As without Ian Bonner, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be here at this time. So yeah, it is a very big thing for us, and we would love it if you could come along and join us for our rally and open day. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and this is Town and District.
Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. I'll get that in, don't worry.